Morning, children. So today we are going to complete the rest of the scene from the chapter 7, Team Up. So in previous class we have learned that there was a forest, and in that forest a flock of quails were living, and nearby to that forest a fowler was living, and who earns the money by trapping them, and he got a good earn from that. So once a wise leader of the quail, he warned them to push so how to be free from the trap. They had a very good plan, and so we are going to execute that plan. So let's see how they do. Okay. So in scene 2, the next day Fowler called out, and same the quails came to him. When he threw the net over them, the quails followed their leader's advice. So everyone with the team, what they did, they followed the leader's advice. They flew off with the net to the nearest thorny bush. They left the net there and flew back to the leader to tell him that the plan was successful. So the fowler wasted all day trying to free from the thorns and went home with the empty-handed. And this happened for the next 2 days. That means every quail were working as a team, and they were successful too. So let's see what happens next. So once the fowler and the fowler's wife, they were talking to each other that how to trap them again so that they can a good earn from them. So since 2 days they haven't earned any money, so they decided, so they were discussing that how the quails are united and they were flying together. So only if they quarrel, if they divide, then only they can catch them again. So one day a quail flew down to feeding ground and accidentally stepped on other bird's head. So accidentally he just stepped the other bird's head. So the second quail angrily, "Who stepped on my head?" So the first one, "I'm sorry, I did not do it on purpose." So the quail was here said sorry, it was not done purposely. So the narrator, the second quail was very annoyed and kept saying mean things. So all the quails joined together and took the side. So they started quarreling each with each other. And what happened? Now everyone was distracted. So the fowler got a chance to trap them. So what he did? He threw his net over them, and instead of flying, what they did? They started quarreling. Arguing, quarreling. So quails on the other side, what they said, don't try to make us lift the net by ourselves. So now slowly by slowly they were divided. They are not united. And as we know, when we are divided, we fall. So the quails on the other side, you begin and we will help. The quails quarreled and neither side wanted to lift the net. The fowler gently, quietly caught them in the net as they continued to quarrel. And what happened? It was the good chance for the fowler to catch them, and it happened also. He caught them and he earned the good money from them. So from this chapter, what we learn, that we should always be united. Use the presence of mind when we are in danger situation. In that presence of mind can let you out from the danger situation, and that too if you have a good team, and you can be successful also. Okay. So here just see, support each other. You cannot always do anything on your own. You are a part of family and community. So in school you are often asked to work in pairs or in groups. Even you have done also. Is it? So even in school you have seen when you got a project work, so what you see that you have a specific team and you work together, you enjoy also, and you get a very better result on that. So playing and doing things together gives you a chance to make new friends. Sometimes it may be difficult to get along with the some members of your group instead of quarreling. So be friendly and cooperative. So we should be supportive, we should adjust, and we should respect each other's idea also. This will help you achieve a common goal, a problem you have to solve, a project to complete, or a game to win. So what a result you will get, that is a success. All the members in the group should respect each other's views. You should be willing to exchange ideas and help each other. So help each other and respect others' views too. A group that works together always succeeds finally. This I told you, that a good team will always succeed. Okay, and the work done will be efficient, quality, okay, and even you will enjoy also. So your classwork will be, in your book you have seen some blanks are given, so you are going to complete all these blanks. Okay.